Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the Smart Electric Anti-Fog Face Mask for virus protection. I made this based on my personal opinion and research analysts based on quality, terribly price and more options for every type of consumer is working for the best Smart Electric Anti-Fog Face Mask. Can buy the product for you if you want more information and updated price in the air fryers mention. We should take out the link in the description tabular. Okay, let's get started. The silicone part of the mask is made of food-grade material. The environmentally friendly plastic material used in the entire body is safe and reliable. Ergonomic design, comfortable to wear without feeling of pressure, stainless steel inner wall, 360-degree anti-collision, elastic silicone. Built with internal turbofan, 3-speed mode can be adjusted, offer full fresh, can filter out dust, cut off 98% of most particles, absorb harmful odors. Ergonomic design, comfortable to wear without feeling of pressure. Stainless steel inner wall, 360-degree anti-collision, elastic silicone. Package include one electric mouth muffle with 20x replaceable filters. Built with internal turbofan, 3-speed mode can be adjusted, offer full fresh, can filter out dust, cut off 98% of most particles, absorb harmful odors, purification rate, 98%. The maximum air ventilation, 70 liters per minute, 5 to 8 hours working time with battery. It is recommended to clean the surface of the mask with a wet towel before use. 2. When using for the first time, it is recommended to set the speed mode, the air will be supplied automatically without choking. Can be used for different purposes, from mowing to running, cycling, hiking, skiing and other outdoor activities in extremely cold climates. It works in filtering allergenic pollen. 3. Great progress. 1. The second generation can be used for 10 minutes, 10 hours, in one charge. The first generation charges 10 minutes at a time, only 5 to 6 hours. 2. Long waiting time when the second generation is fully charged. The first generation has a short within time. 3. The second generation of intake air volume and respiratory volume are synchronized, more natural and smooth berating. Dimension drawing. This one is suitable for over 16 years old, and also offer a children's one later. This is suitable for both men and women. Original electronic motor for mask. Small volume, mute, high power and long service life. After hundreds of tests, our lifespan can reach more than 15,000 hours. Workmanship. The surface adopts frosting technology, the material is food-grade safety, and the integrated processing seamless joint is more safe and comfortable. According to people sitting, walking and running 3 levels of vital capacity to develop 3 levels of air intake, you can ride a bicycle and run can be used to ensure that you are safe and comfortable every breath. At present, no one in the market can achieve third gear, because it requires a lot of motors. Safety and comfort. Health and safety, 0 formaldehyde inspected, give your baby a comfortable environment. Smart Respirator. Electric, comfortable, healthy and environmental protection. Charging port. Generally, if can be used for 5 to 8 hours for one charge. According to the gear you use, 3 is no problem for one charge for one day. The air inlet is also a filter. After about 300 times of testing, the size of its air inlet is determined. Because its size determines whether it's in sync with the breath. Can achieve smooth breathing without feeling stuffy.